In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate creator mode in your profile, which just raises your profile in LinkedIn and you just receive higher priority on various features. So here you are on the home page. You can access your profile by clicking on the Me in the main menu and clicking on View Profile, or you click on the photo or your name. That will then take you through to your profile page. Now, once you arrive at your profile page, if you scroll down just a little, you will see here, it will indicate resources and it will show creator mode off. So all you do is you click on creator mode. There'll be a screen that pops up that just asks you a few questions and you click on next and you will then arrive at this page. So the first thing it does is it gives you a whole lot more analytics in terms of your activity on LinkedIn. You can put in 5 hashtags related to you, your products, your services, your business. You are then able to do a LinkedIn Live event. You can have newsletters, and it even gives you some follow links that you can use. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.